If you're wondering how to share your iPad screen using CrankWheel, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk through everything you need to know, step by step. Stay with me till the end, because I'm also going to share how you can get CrankWheel completely free with an extended trial, so don't miss out. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll need is the CrankWheel app. If you haven't already, go ahead and download it from the App Store. Once it's installed, launch the app, and you'll be prompted to sign in or create an account. Next, let's talk about getting your screen ready. On your iPad, swipe down from the top right corner to open the Control Center. Here, you'll find a screen mirroring option. Tap that, and a list of available devices will show up. Look for CrankWheel in the list and select it. Your screen is now mirrored to the CrankWheel interface, and anyone you're sharing with can see exactly what you're doing. The third thing to note is making sure you have the right settings in CrankWheel. CrankWheel allows you to share either your entire screen or just a specific app. If you want to share the whole screen, you don't need to do anything extra. But if you prefer to focus on one app, you can configure this directly in the CrankWheel interface. This flexibility is great for meetings or presentations where you don't want to show everything. Next, let's touch on the quality of your connection. To make sure your screen sharing experience is smooth, ensure you're on a stable Wi-Fi connection. CrankWheel performs best with good internet speeds, so make sure both your iPad and the device you're sharing with are connected to reliable networks. The fifth thing to remember is the interactive features. Once your screen is shared, you can also draw on the screen, highlight parts of your presentation, or even chat in real time with anyone you're sharing with. These features really take screen sharing to the next level, especially for collaborative work or giving live demonstrations. Now, before you go, here's the bonus I mentioned earlier. You can actually use CrankWheel completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. That will give you access to an extended trial and some exclusive bonuses to help you get started. So that's it. Now you know how to share your iPad screen using CrankWheel. Remember, CrankWheel makes it simple to share your screen without any hassle, and with the extended trial, you can explore all of its amazing features at no cost. Make sure to grab your exclusive offer and start sharing your screen today.